Flying is fun, but it isn't easy as it looks. Am I right? DJI is the world leader in aerial photography systems. Now, DJI is committed to help pilots unleash their aerial creativity safely and responsibly. In keeping with that commitment, offering that page filled with the latest tips, regulatory and instructional videos. You can also learn about the DJI Geo system along with its flight restriction zones and all new unlocking system from DJI Mavic. As a DJI pilot, you are solely responsible for ensuring your flights are conducted safely and according with all local laws and regulations. Today we are going to discuss about 5 DJI Mavic drones to make you the first promising pilot of DJI Mavic. Oh yeah, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel.
Let's start with DJI Mavic Mini. So if your budget is tight and you want to take a low-cost camera drone as a beginner, then DJI Mavic Mini may be the perfect solution for you. It is the best value for money. The only 249-gram drone comes with a 12-megapixel camera that can capture some great videos in 2.7K or Quad HD resolution. Its 3-axis gimbals give smooth and stable footage for up to 30 minutes. You can take this small foldable drone wherever you want, with a transmission facility up to 4 km. You can capture your precious moments with aerial and regular views. If you want, you can edit and share in just a moment. You love big, want to capture large resolutions? Let's meet at DJI Mavic Air 2. A 48-megapixel massive camera with a larger sensor will give larger images, larger videos. Not only that, each picture will be a masterpiece for smart and dynamic range, low noisy and color correction. With this drone, you can make videos in 4K resolution and 60p mode. Its 8K hyperlapse and slow motion video capture capability of 240 fps have made the Mavic Air 2 one of the best in this range. At the same time, the HDR video facility has been given a unique status. The drone can fly for 34 minutes continuously with the facility of 10 km full HD video transmission. Autopilot features like Spotlight 2.0, POI 3.0, Active Track 3.0 will make you a literally pro. You can take pictures with just one click. And you know what the best thing is? It has an obstacle detection feature. There will be some lively moments during the flight that will automatically avoid obstacles. Now we have DJI Mavic 2 Zoom. Mavic 2 Zoom is a special mode of DJI. Its specialty is that the 12-megapixel zoom camera. This model is primarily designed to present a larger, clearer and more detailed view of the subject from a distance. Mavic 2 Zoom is all about dynamic perspective. It has a powerful 2x optical zoom lens that can constantly adjust to your commands for seamless zoom control and hybrid autofocus tracking to the capture fine details. It offers greater safety, efficiency and more creative opportunities. Surely you like cinematic looks, and the drone with the 48mm focal length does it by enhancing the parallax effect and also compresses your perspective. It can maintain a safe distance from your subject while taking a tighter shot. Yes, it produces 4K videos with 30 minutes of flying time and the facility of 8 km 1080p video transmission. DJI Mavic 2 Pro, you can call it a beast, but it is the best. It is an unrivaled drone in this price range. Mavic 2 Pro is replacing professional drones as the best alternative. It comes with 20-megapixel advanced Hasselblad camera and a DJI's latest 3-axis gimbal technology for smooth, stable and enhancing footage in any situation. To control the lighting environment, it has an adjustable aperture lens. It supports a 10-bit D-Log M-color profile that enhances higher dynamic range for more flexibility. A 1-inch large sensor produces enhanced quality HDR image with superior light and color with 4K video and extreme details. 4 types of dynamic aerial hyperlapse modes give access to various shots for any time-lapse situation. Its a low noise propellers help to a smoother and quieter flight for up to 31 minutes with the full HD transmission of 8 kilometers. Obstacles sensors have been added to its all sides. With the help of Active Track 2.0 and vision system, even if the subject is blocked by an obstruction, it can track at the speed of up to 72 km per hour. You can edit and share your videos within a moment. The DJI Phantom 4 Pro version 2.0. Let's jump into the final one. We have a professional filmmaking camera drone on our list. We all know that the Phantom series has a top-notch camera setup. Thus, the Phantom 4 Pro version 2.0 grants filmmakers absolute creative freedom. Phantom 4 Pro V2.0 offers professional 4K by 60 FPS video, which lets you take cinematic slow motion shots. You can also record in D-Log mode with professional footage with a high dynamic range. A large 1-inch 20 megapixel CMOS sensor captures details effortlessly, giving you the ultimate control for advanced post-production. If you are looking to capture fast-paced objects with incredible clarity, a mechanical shutter eliminates rolling distortion. The OcuSync 2.0 HD transformation system ensures stable connectivity and reliability for up to 30 minutes flight. 5 direction of the obstacle sensing ensure additional safety, and a dedicated remote controller with a built-in screen grants even greater precision and control. A wide array of intelligent features makes flying that much easier. It is a complete aerial imaging solution designed for professional creators.